How to enable performance mode, or also known as monster mode, for Vivo phones or Iqoo phones. So this is a battery performance enhanced mode. You can use the quick access for your Vivo phone and look for the icon that has the 777. A single tap will prompt you to enable it. And of course, when you enable this feature, just use it when you really need to, as it will cause your phone to get hot and drain the battery faster. And you'll notice that when it's on, the icon will be in that color there, okay? Now, there is another way to check for it. Go to settings in the quick access, this settings icon right here. Then you can either search for it or go down the settings to battery here, and you're going to look for this slider here and switch to the monster mode, and that'll enable it for you, and it'll show you that it's on, and you can also tell up in the status bar area it is enabled. Like and sub.